The Sonic Alert SBB 500SS Sonic Bomb Dual Alarm Clock with Super Shaker Bed Vibrator is the wake-up answer for the guy in the house that needs something extra to get out of bed. Designed to provide years of use, this quality-made alarm clock offers peace of mind for those who are hard of hearing or simply hard to wake. The Sonic Bomb offers many features such as unique 113 decibel extra loud alarm with adjustable tone and volume control. Dual alarms to accommodate multiple sleepers and schedules. Built-in red flashing alert lights. A 5-level dimmer function to help you sleep sounder. The SS12 VW Super Shaker Bed Vibrating Unit will wake you silently while others sleep. Dual time 12 and 24-hour time formats. User selectable snooze time from 1 to 30 minutes. User selectable alarm duration from 1 to 59 minutes. Improved battery backup for time and alarm settings up to 1 week. New green power technology uses 60% less energy. Dual power capability when using a standard travel adapter. 1-year Sonic Alert blast-proof warranty.
With a large 6.5-inch LED, the clock is bright and clear from across the room. Of course, the dimmer lets you adjust the brightness from 0 to 100%. The Rocam CR1008 alarm clock is so simple to use. Clearly labeled options make it fast and easy to set your time and alarm, turn your alarm on, and choose its volume, and even quickly set your time format between 12 and 24 hours. You can even pause your alarm when the snooze isn't enough. With the colorful night lights, your kids will never be afraid to sleep alone. Choose from these 7 beautiful colors. With backup battery power, you'll never lose track of time or oversleep. With 2 USB ports, you can even charge your phone while you sleep. The Rocam CR1008 alarm clock is covered with a 12-month warranty, so you can rest easy.
So this is the Travelwey LED alarm clock, probably the most simple alarm clock in the world. There's no bells or whistles, it won't tell you the day of the week, it won't tell you the date, it won't tell you the temperature or the humidity, it's just a clock. It will tell you the time and it will wake you up in the morning with a nice loud alarm. Now the controls are extremely simple. You have alarm set, time set, you have a high and low alarm, the alarm on off, which is coloured red so you can easily see it, and a dimmer switch. Now this is not your traditional high-low dimmer switch, it's actually a variable dimmer. So you can actually dim the digits to your own eye's sensitivity. So if you're very sensitive to the light, you can dim it right down. Now this is perfect at night because most LED clocks will light up the whole room even at the low setting, but you can dim this right down so it won't light up the room and you can still see what the time is.
The time panel features a super large 7-inch LED display. Our alarm clock features 3 vibrant and attractive colors. The multiple dimmer levels allow you to have this in the bedroom and sleep without a disturbing glare. Simply push the dimmer slider and adjust the brightness you prefer. Simply tap the large nightlight button on the top to change each color. This works perfectly as a children's all-night companion or for getting up in the night without turning on a lamp. With this highly visible time readout on the display, you can view from far distances easily. Choose from 12-hour and 24-hour time format. To choose from 12 or 24 hours, simply use the sliding switch on the back of the clock. The buzzer sound is soothing and relaxing for a nice, calm wake-up. This alarm clock charges 2 devices, such as a cell phone or a tablet, to be charged at the same time. Simply connect it to the USB charging port before you go to bed, and it will be fully charged when you wake up in the morning.